Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So you're probably wondering, where's Jo? Well, she's out shopping and doing things and etc, etc, etc. Because when she leaves, I never know when she's coming back. Or if she's ever coming back. She's threatened sometimes never to come back. But anyway, she's out and about. So are you guys like us? It takes forever to find and book a campground. And are you frustrated with how long it takes? You might be able to find them easily with all the apps out there, but then you have to figure out, is there availability on the dates that you want in the area that you want? Well, I came across a vendor called SpotTonight and met Terry, and he has a very unique proposition, if you will, or value proposition in his app. His app will actually tell you, with all the parameters of your rig, if there's a spot available in the area that you're looking. So we're going to have a little interview with Terry. He's going to tell us all about SpotTonight. And then you're going to see Joanne and I actually see a Class A that we really, really liked. Just love the way the layout is. The only drawback is it's not enough horsepower, if you will, for the type of rig we're looking at. It is plenty big. It's fine that way. Just didn't have the horsepower, but we really liked it. And would love to get your comments and see what you thought about it as well. And then we looked at ATC, and they have a stacker trailer that if we do move to a Class A, you need a trailer to haul your car and all your toys and all that kind of stuff. I shouldn't say you need. We prefer that because of the way we travel. So take a look at all of this. In addition to that, we're going to have some sights and sounds of the RV show as we entered in and toured everything that we toured during the week of the show. We'll be back right after this. Okay everybody, here I am with Terry at SpotTonight, and we'll introduce him, but he's the CEO and president of SpotTonight. And Terry, tell me a little bit about what separates SpotTonight from all the other apps out there to book your RV spot.
Sure it will, Jeff, and thanks for having us here this morning.
Yeah.
The difference with SpotTonight and many of the other apps is our software directly integrates in real time with major booking systems that are in use by campgrounds across North America. So essentially, within the app, I'm putting you as a terminal operator at a campground.
That's fantastic.
Our software saves your profile by coach, length, whatever, trailer, whatever you specifically have, length, number of slides, your membership groups, all of that information, just as if you're standing there, and returns to you only campgrounds that meet your criteria within a search. Size of the rig,
that type of thing,
slide outs, whether you have a vehicle in tow, all of that information.
That's
the things
fantastic.
that they ask you on the phone, as a 4-time RVer myself, I'm like, I can automate this and make it 6-click booking, so you can really look, book, and go using SpotTonight.
Look, book, and go. I like that. So if all of you are like us, that spends hours and hours and hours trying to find a campground in the area that you're going to, this saves you a ton of time. You just put in the area you want to go to, and it tells you everything available for the dates you're looking for. This is a game changer to me.
It's a huge game changer.
Everybody else, you gotta, here's a campground. Now you gotta call them and find out if there's availability, only to find out there's nothing available.
That's it.
And also, now do you put pricing on there? Or
we do. The price that you see is the price that you pay. You're actually seeing the tag price, again, just as if you're talking to the clerk. And so when you book it, then it goes through the booking cycle that tells you your final pay to checkout. We also are running, we're here at the Tampa show, and we're running a trade show special. So we have a code out there, trade show, for a coupon that will give you a free booking, no convenience fee from SpotTonight.
That's great. And I'll have that link below here so you guys can use that.
Excellent.
And that link is going to be good for just the show?
30 days, right.
For 30 days on the show.
And then
so
we run a lot of specials throughout the year as well. I would also add that we are not even a year launched. Last year we were just a demo, and so we're on a rapid growth curve to onboard as many parks as we can. So park and travelers are out there. If they see our app, they'll see the connections that are available. And so if your park is not connected yet, reach out to us, or it may soon be connected within the coming weeks and months. We're actually onboarding in the process another system that will bring net another 500 parks to the
Perfect.
So we're excited.
So full transparency, I actually met Terry last year here at the show, and he hadn't launched yet. And I said, well, this is exciting. I can't wait for you to launch. So you're finally launched, and I want to say congratulations.
Thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate it.
It's awesome. So I encourage all of you to check them out.
There's no fee. Right?
Yeah, there's no fee.
So it's a free download. You can build your profile, review parks, save profiles, directly share with other buddy travelers in your rally group or whatever. And it's only when you go to book that you see, of course, you pay their fees, the hotel fee, or the campground fee, and then the convenience fee. But like I said, for us right now, we have that discount. And the convenience fee, again, is about $3 to $5 per reservation per night.
Yeah.
And we cap that at $20, so nobody's going to pay an arm and a leg for it.
But if you can save all the hours you save on booking, it's well worth it.
Yeah, and if you're coming to the show, if you search around Bushnell, Florida, which really the Tampa show address is kind of like in Bushnell, you'll see there's a campground south here that still has spots 20 minutes away. So
there you go.
It's working.
It's working. Well, thanks again, Terry. I appreciate it. And hope you guys click the links below and get yourself signed up to SpotTonight.
Thank you.
I believe in music. I believe in love.
Okay. All right, everybody. We are in a Discovery XL or LXC, and this thing is actually laid out very nicely, isn't it, Joe?
It is. I'm shocked at how much I love the layout.
It's a nice long couch here, and then
It's got
you're
2 theater seats. I'm sorry.
on the ends it's got
and a love seat in the middle.
which I think is a height of bed.
I'll probably keep that actually.
And then got the dinette here.
Way out.
Folds out to, obviously like all of them, 4 people. But I like the TV, the angle rather than offset, because then you can see it at the table or whatever. And
Anywhere.
And go ahead and show them. It pivots.
So,
It turns and pivots.
come in the kitchen cooking.
Right. So I like that
Really
feature.
brilliant, yes.
And then of course a little fireplace.
Right.
The refrigerator. It's an okay refrigerator.
Okay. Of course, we like to eat.
So we like the other kinds of refrigerator because these are little freezers and that just doesn't work for us. But the galley's kind of nice.
Nice, good counter space.
The only drawback to the galley is it doesn't have a good sized pantry.
Right, there's no pull-out pantry. That's the only drawback. This is the only thing they have. If I don't break it out. Your what are they called?
Pantry.
Spice.
Oh, spices, yeah.
You know, and then whatever.
So they're very
else.
narrow.
And really nice.
But not a bad layout.
These are rather deep though.
Yeah.
They're very deep, okay? Just very deep.
Yeah, very deep.
Yeah, right.
Nice big sink.
Now, let's go into the bath.
And yeah, show them the half bath.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry.
So we got a half bath right here.
Really,
Decent size. Yeah, decent size with lots of cabinetry. So really good there. And then you step up to the master. And it was interesting, actually I'm going to show this. They put the step up right here instead of back by the bathroom. So the master's all one level.
One unit, one level.
But look at the size of the closets on both sides of
You can see really what
the
it
dresser.
looks like.
And
length.
deep drawers in these dressers. So very nice.
Okay. Of course, you have all the overhead above there,
Yeah.
above the bed.
And let me turn around for that.
Look at
So,
the size of these.
it's so deep.
And it goes all the way down.
Yeah, Joe could have,
I can fit in
Lots
there
of-
easily.
I don't know if he could get through
I
that.
can. I can. Oh, do it later, guys.
Maybe this one.
That one's easy.
Well, that's easy.
That's an easy one.
That's easy. But now,
Now look at the size.
this bathroom is enormous. Big shower. And
No one's hitting each other trying to get ready. 2 sinks.
yeah, dual
Look at all
vanity.
of this.
Very deep.
Look how deep this is.
Yeah, and there's medicine cabinet above both. Yeah, I like that. His and hers.
And your electric.
Outlets right there.
Yep. Now check this out. Side by side washer and dryer.
Very
Okay.
cool.
Look at this.
Yeah, lots.
That's incredible.
Double
That's
deep shoe
super-
rack. Yeah.
Yep. You have more drawers. These all pull out, and you can put all your washing stuff there.
Yep.
Brilliant.
And the commode room.
I'm sorry, yeah.
We've got a separate commode room with yet more cabinetry.
Does it have some more cabin stuff on?
Yeah, with toilet paper and everything.
There's room in here. It's unbelievable how they've laid this out. Yeah.
Now this is deceiving when you look at the bed. It is propped up. It's one of those that lift up. So when the bed is down, it comes to right around where Joe's foot is right there. So you can still get around here pretty easily.
Plenty of room when it comes down.
So, and another feature here that's kind of cool is it's got a loft bed. They call it a hide loft above the driver and passenger seat. So it's got the latest in technology in the dash. So all the bells and whistles are here. Now the only thing that's not good for us is it's only 450 horse and the torque, it's okay, but kind of small duty, but very good layout. Oh, it's got a little, I don't know what you call those things, an island thing. So yeah, I think you have to push that button to close it. Yep, that's how it works.
I didn't think so. I'm so sorry about that.
Very cool. All right, there you have it. That is the Discovery LXE 44S, I believe the model is here. And currently they are asking $560,375 for this guy. They're proud of it. I'm not sure I'd spend that kind of money on a Discovery. But anyway, that's what their list price is. I'm sure there's a show special. We'll try to figure that out for you. Okay, the basements in these this Discovery LXE is very large. They got full pass-through trays. Very fun. And we put a plant in front of that, so don't know why we can't open that one. But it is a tag axle. So impressive. Impressive unit. All right. Good. So everybody, leave your comments below what you think of this unit, and if you like it or it styles like this, I think this was a pretty impressive unit.
I like the slide.
Joe, overall, thumbs up? I think so too. Thumbs up for this one.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, everybody. Here we are in Joe's future toy room.
Correct.
So if we end up actually selling our rig and moving into the Class A, we would have to
For the toys.
the toys and the car and all that kind of stuff. So
Right.
we're
Which we are planning on selling.
we'll see.
Make him an offer.
And she's going to tell everybody, make him an offer, he says yes to.
Yeah.
But we are in a stacker trailer by ATC. And
This is all he talks about.
it's a beautiful, beautiful trailer. Yes, I said if we get a trailer, we got to get an ATC trailer because it's all aluminum, lightweight, well built. And John here, he's a little shy, doesn't want to be on camera. John, you're the...
Hi folks, how you doing?
There's John.
We're happy to be here and just showing them the stacker and been selling them for quite a while and taking care of people. If they got things they want to move, this is the way to do it for sure.
Yeah, these are fantastic trailers, and they have great resale value if you find one.
If you can find
Yeah.
one,
Yeah,
if you can
exactly.
find
We still have a few available.
Wow.
So these are awesome trailers. So if we do make that jump to the Class A, we're probably going to be getting one of these as well.
Right.
I'll be here for you. John,
Yeah.
more trailer.
Yes.
Excelente. Are you doing Tampa?
I'm in Fort Myers.
All right. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you a few features of this thing. So right down here is basically it's called the platform or the lift. The lift.
This is a 14-foot lift.
Okay, so you would basically drive your vehicle underneath, or you could put one on top and lift your vehicle up or your toys. We put motorcycle and maybe some jet skis or something back here. And then up front, you've got your little toolbox and workstation with cabinets. And on top there, you've got the attic where you put your e-bikes and golf clubs and all that kind of stuff. But what's really cool is if you're a fat guy like me, it's got this big wide open door. And all you do is lift that up so when you can get in and out of your vehicle easily. So and then the basically close the door and you drop the fenders back down on there, and it's all waterproof and watertight. And it makes it for a great type of trailer. Great utility. So and then here we have a little doorway so you can have side access. So when you take a look at this, it's a big trailer. Sorry if it's a little wiggly. There's a lot of people talking, so I hope you heard me over this. But there she is. Beautiful trailer. Hey, bucket list buddies. So, here we had another full day at the RV show. As you can see, we saw many cool things. So now we're back at the rig, having a little sip of grape juice.
Oh, it's Federalist, if you really want to know.
That's grape juice. It's made from grapes.
It's my kind of grape juice.
Yeah.
Ours.
You can tell we've been talking all day. She's hoarse.
I am too, yeah.
I'm tired. We are tired. But we want to thank all of you for tuning in, watching, and hitting that little like button, subscribe, and ringing that little bell. And we have the new thing here, the join button next to the subscribe button if you want to help support us. We appreciate that.
Yep.
Every little bit helps.
Yeah. Truth. Yep.
So go ahead and click on that and you can see the 3 different memberships, and maybe you find one that fits your needs.
Suits you.
That's right, suits you.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's it for this episode.
It is. We are ready to relax.
Chill.
Yeah.
So
Enjoy the lovely evening.
thanks for watching. We hope you really enjoyed this and make it a great bucket list day. Cheers.
Cheers.